What up, fam? Today I got my court case about the incident with the Corvette. My ex-client said I bust out his Corvette window in addition to busting out his Avalanche truck window all in the same day. So I'm going to court and we're going to see if justice reigned for me, because I really don't think we did it. There was no proof that we did it. He just want me to pay for 2 new windshields. I'm not going to pay unless it can be proven that I did it. All right, fam. So I got out of the court case, and let me just tell you something. Did not win the court case at all. Actually, the guy didn't have any proof that I did it. You gotta come with some proof. But I believe the reason why I didn't win is because of this. I did say to him that I was gonna fix or replace the window of his Corvette. He asked me, did you agree to that? And I said, yeah, I agreed to it, because in the end of the day, I don't want to go in here and start lying about something that I agreed, but no way did we cause that damage. Other than me saying that I said I would pay for that portion. He was asking for 10 grand, y'all. 10 grand. 10 grand. What he did was he filed his insurance claim. So the insurance company paid for both of the vehicles, but then he had an out-of-pocket expense of $400, and then of course the court cost was $100. Now, I don't agree with the judge, but I think what he was doing is he was settling the situation. And I was like, man, I'm the only one that was a business up here that paid some money. Don't admit fault, fam. Just go out there, look at it, and if your determination is, I don't think we did it, don't say no more. Say no more. Don't say I'll pay or I'm gonna pay it for you. Say no more. He was trying to get me for both of the vehicles, man. He was trying to get me for both vehicles. And that's the reason why I was like, nope, couldn't do it, needed to settle this matter. So I guess the $500 is a scratch, because I was gonna pay for the whole window, and the whole window in this Corvette was gonna be about 2 grand or 1,700. So I still came out good. Now I lost the client, which he still claimed that I do a great job in cutting grass. You do a great job in cutting grass, man, but I wouldn't take somebody like that, man, because at the end of the day, I really believe he was trying to get me. I know he was trying to get me. So fam, if you ever get sued, it's best that when you go and interview any damages, don't admit fault to nothing. Never admit fault, because as soon as you admit fault to it, they're gonna bring it up in court. Unless you're willing to lie on the oath, which I wasn't willing to lie on the oath, you could be subject to go to jail for that violation. That's called lying, tempt to court. But I did notice something too. Everyone in court, man, they didn't understand the law. The law, man, is very detailed. And if you go in there and you don't understand the law, like for example, if you ever get sued or sue someone, you cannot sue the individual if they're not the person who is under what is called the registered agency of the business. You gotta go to the registered agency on the state, find out what's the name of the business or the information will tell you who is registered to that business, right? And you gotta sue that person. If you sue some random dude and he's not the person who filed that information, because sometimes they'll find someone else to be the third party to file, and that's the registered agency, and that's who you need to sue. So fam, if you learn anything from what just happened to me, man, save this one. All right, cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.